out here with another video. Today we're gonna be trying to figure out this rubbing issue for the front. I'm gonna try a couple stuff people recommended, see if anything of that works. We're also gonna be messing around with the front bumper, be giving it a different look, and then fixing the light bar as well because it came loose recently, but that's my fault because I didn't put any brackets. But we'll be doing that. We'll see how far we get. If anything, we might just get the front rubbing thing figured out and we'll have to do the bumper a different day. But yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start by lifting it up, putting it on a jack stand, taking off the wheel. I'm gonna start off by taking off the plastics because that's where it's rubbing mostly, on the plastics. As you can tell, all that tire rubbing on the wheel well right here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can bend this in somehow, and yeah, we'll move from there. So yeah, let's get it by taking these off. Yes, I'm missing one, I know. I'm gonna buy spy lug nuts, so don't worry about it. Alright, so as you can tell, we can see where it's rubbing. Right here. Oh, here. Here. Here, here. So we'll start off by taking out the plastic. And then we'll figure out how we can roll these fenders. As you guys can see, the liner is removed, but I don't like how it's exposing everything. So what I might do is just cut where it's rubbing and then put the liner back in. I really don't like how everything's just exposed. So yeah, let's move on to try and figure out how we can roll these fenders, and then we'll figure out the ends how we can cut this up and pretty much put it back in where the parts that are rubbing get cut off. Alright guys, well let me show you what I've been doing. So, bought myself this little sledgehammer at Harbor Freight. And all I'm doing is pretty much hitting the spots where I see that it was rubbing. So like here, 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 and on the fender. And just pretty much smashing it in. Trying to bend it in as much as I can, pretty much folding in this fender liner as much as I can, so without having to cut anything. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'll probably have to cut something, but it's working, it's bending. So I'm just gonna hit it a couple more times and see where that gets me. But yeah, it's working, guys. All right. Alright guys, well I think that should be good enough. You know, obviously I gotta test fit it and everything. But yeah, I bent more than what it was before, so it should be better. So I'm gonna do next is cut up this fender liner, cut the part to where it rubs, and put it back on. I'm just gonna be using this knife, cutting out the parts that I don't need. There we go.
Any ideas?
Try putting this bitch back in. Alright. Fenders liner's back in. As you can tell, looks almost the same, but obviously we cut off whatever we didn't need and folded the lip in here. Might hit it a couple times more right here. But yeah, let's test fit the tire and see how it looks. I'm actually gonna touch up the inner liner with some of this black paint, just for all the spots that is bare metal, so it doesn't rust. Might come off anyways with the rubbing. But better safe than sorry, right? Alright, let's put the tire back on. Wheels back on, guys. Definitely way more clearance. Most definitely. And that's how you roll your guys' fenders. Not that hard. I didn't have to cut anything. Obviously, if you go any lower than a 5-inch drop or have bigger rims, you might have to cut or even get tubbed. But this is the ghetto Mexican way, guys. All that's left is the road test, and obviously I gotta do the other side still. So I'm just gonna do the same process as this side, so I won't bore you guys with that footage. But yeah, let me go do the other side, and then I'll come back and we'll start doing the bumper. Alright, so I started off with the bumper removal. Took off the grill, took off bolts that go in here. Size 15. Now I gotta take out the bolts that are in the back. So what I want to do is paint this middle part of this valance silver. So I'll have that contrasting teal with silver. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Guess we'll find out. Bumper is off. I'm gonna fix the light bar. I'm also gonna fix the lip. Look at that, hanging off, because my dumbass ran over it. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that, fix the light bar, flip it over, paint paint that part I'm telling you guys about. Alright guys, so I got the bumper flipped around. I'm gonna start taping off whatever I don't want to paint, and then we'll start spraying the silver. I'm about to start getting ready to paint. See how it goes. Bumper's back on. Middle's painted silver. Time to put everything back together and put everything away. Alright guys, so we're done. Fenders are rolled. Didn't have any issues, so I'm glad that worked. Did it on both sides. Fixed the light bar, secured it now. Painted the Balin silver. Matches the wheels now. Matches the stickers. Gold fender on this side. Oh yeah, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure you guys see when I post a new video. Other than that, that'll be it for today, guys. Don't forget, I still have the raffle going on for the headlights, or $200. So make sure to check the link in the description. Each entry is only $4, guys. So ASAP, go get one. You can win some headlights, or even $200 for only $4. So don't miss out on that. It'll be till September 15th, and then we'll announce a winner. But yeah, check out the link in the description. Follow me on Dope Theft. Follow me on OneSlowHD_Bulls. And have you guys a good day. Peace out.